Imagine driving a car for years, 200,000, maybe even a million miles, and it just keeps going. Sounds unreal, right? But some cars have done just that. In today's video, we're talking about 13 cars that simply never break down. These vehicles aren't just built to last. They've been tested by real owners, experts, and generations of drivers who've pushed them to their limits. From family sedans to rugged SUVs, these cars are known for hitting incredible mileage milestones. Stick around, because some of these legends might surprise you.
13. Honda Odyssey.
Let's start with a family favorite, the Honda Odyssey. Since 1994, it's been the go-to minivan for families across America. The 2022 model scored an impressive 81 out of 100 in reliability from J.D. Power, showing how Honda's engineering continues to deliver. Many owners easily see 300,000 miles or more with proper care. The Odyssey isn't just durable, it's affordable to maintain and holds its resale value well. Families love its comfort, spacious seating, and advanced safety features. It even earned the IIHS Top Safety Pick Award, making it a trusted ride for parents. The 2017 to 2021 models are especially reliable, and buyers looking for a used option often target those years. If you want a minivan that blends safety, comfort, and longevity, the Honda Odyssey is one of the strongest choices out there.
12. Mazda Miata.
For sports car lovers, the Mazda Miata is proof that fun and reliability can go hand in hand. First launched in 1989, the Miata became an instant hit thanks to its lightweight design and simple, no-nonsense engineering. It's one of the rare sports cars known for consistently crossing 200,000 miles without major issues. The NC generation, in particular, stands out for solid build quality. While it might occasionally need repairs like a radiator or exhaust system, overall upkeep is minimal. With a 4.0 out of 5 reliability score from RepairPal and an average repair cost of only $429 per year, it's affordable to own. Parts are widely available, and maintenance is straightforward, making it a dream for enthusiasts who work on their own cars. For those who want pure driving joy that lasts for decades, the Miata is the ultimate budget-friendly sports car. 11. Subaru Legacy. Here's an underrated gem, the Subaru Legacy. Known for its full-time all-wheel drive system, it's reliable, safe, and perfect for any weather. Fourth-generation models like the 2004 Legacy earned praise for handling and fuel economy. They came with a strong 3.0L flat-six engine, delivering 245 horsepower and 215 lb-ft of torque. The Legacy has gone through ups and downs. Some later CVT-equipped models weren't as bulletproof, but the 2005 to 2009 versions are particularly strong, with the 2006 and 2007 models leading the pack. The 2010 to 2014 generation brought improvements, and the 2016 to 2017 years also rank highly for reliability. The Legacy's robust chassis and confidence-inspiring drive make it a smart choice for buyers who need a durable, affordable sedan that can handle snow, rain, or daily commutes with ease. It's often overlooked but deserves more recognition.
10. Mazda 6.
The Mazda 6 is the sedan that just refuses to quit. Known for sleek styling and sharp handling, it also boasts remarkable long-term durability. The 2.5L engine can hit up to 35 miles per gallon on the highway, while the turbocharged version delivers up to 250 horsepower without sacrificing reliability. A 6-speed automatic transmission adds smooth shifting and long life. Its G-Vectoring Control Plus system protects tires and suspension, helping the car maintain balance and reduce wear. Mazda also used high-strength steel in the frame, which boosts both safety and durability.
9. Ford F-150.
No list of reliable vehicles is complete without America's best-selling truck, the Ford F-150. Built tough, adaptable, and made to last, the F-150 has been a workhorse for decades. The 2011 to 2012 models introduced the EcoBoost V6, giving drivers an excellent mix of power and efficiency. The 2018 to 2019 models took things further with aluminum body panels, which reduce weight and help prevent rust. With engines like the 3.5L EcoBoost V6, the F-150 can handle serious mileage while towing and hauling with ease. J.D. Power consistently ranks the F-150 high for durability, and many owners report over 400,000 miles of hard use. From construction sites to family road trips, the F-150 is one of the most versatile and enduring trucks ever built, and it continues to set the standard for reliability in pickups.
8. Chevrolet Suburban.
Next up is a true American icon, the Chevrolet Suburban. This massive SUV has been hauling families and gear since the 1930s, and modern versions are stronger than ever. With engine choices like the 3.0L turbo diesel, 5.3L V8, and 6.2L V8, there's plenty of power for towing, road trips, or daily driving. The Suburban offers cavernous space, with up to 144.7 cubic feet of cargo room when seats are folded down. The diesel version is especially fuel efficient, delivering up to 27 miles per gallon on the highway, impressive for a vehicle of its size. Reliability is solid too. The 2014 model year stands out for durability, earning a 78 out of 100 JD Power score. Owners who keep up with maintenance often see these SUVs go well past 300,000 miles, making the Suburban an excellent choice for large families or anyone who needs serious space. 7. Mercedes-Benz E-Class W124. The Mercedes-Benz W124 E-Class, produced between 1984 and 1995, has earned legendary status for reliability. Built during an era when Mercedes prioritized engineering over cost-cutting, this car was famously over-engineered. Many W124s have crossed 500,000 miles with only routine maintenance. The diesel engines are particularly famous for longevity, but even the gasoline versions hold up incredibly well. Some owners call it nearly indestructible, and it's often cited as one of the most dependable luxury cars of all time. The 500e, co-developed with Porsche, brought sports car performance to this reliable platform. But even standard trims offer unbeatable value today, combining affordability with Mercedes' old-school quality. For those who want a classic luxury car that still runs like new after decades, the W124 is an unmatched option and proof that durability can coexist with comfort and style. 6. Toyota Camry. When it comes to reliability legends, the Toyota Camry is always near the top. This mid-size sedan is simple, efficient, and nearly indestructible. With engines like the 2.5L 4-cylinder and 3.5L V6, it delivers both power and longevity. The 8-speed automatic transmission makes driving smooth while helping extend component life. Fuel economy is another highlight, with up to 39 miles per gallon on the highway. Toyota's Safety Sense system, including lane departure alerts and collision warnings, adds modern safety without compromising durability. What really makes the Camry stand out is cost of ownership. Maintenance is cheap, parts are widely available, and breakdowns are rare. With proper care, many Camrys easily hit 600,000 miles or more, making it one of the most practical and trustworthy sedans on the road. It's not flashy, but it's built to last for generations. 5. Honda Accord. Another Honda makes the list, and this time it's the legendary Honda Accord. Since the 1970s, the Accord has been a symbol of reliability and value. Owners often report their Accords lasting beyond 300,000 miles with only routine maintenance. What sets the Accord apart is how it balances style, comfort, and longevity. It's roomy, fuel-efficient, and easy to maintain, making it one of the best all-around family sedans ever made. Its engines are robust, and Honda's precise engineering ensures fewer breakdowns compared to competitors. 4. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner is an SUV that's practically indestructible. Built with a body-on-frame design, it's tough enough for serious off-roading yet dependable enough for everyday family driving. Many owners report their 4Runners lasting over 300,000 miles, with some even pushing past 500,000. Its 22RE engine has earned a reputation as one of Toyota's most reliable powerplants ever built. Inside, the 4Runner is spacious and comfortable, offering enough room for family adventures and long road trips. Off-roaders love it for its ruggedness, while daily drivers appreciate its comfort and dependability. The resale value also remains incredibly high thanks to its reputation for lasting decades. 3. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser is a global icon of reliability. Built for both off-road adventure and on-road comfort, it's known to last hundreds of thousands of miles, with some examples even crossing the million-mile mark when properly cared for. With over 10 million units sold worldwide, it has proven itself across deserts, mountains, and city streets. Annual maintenance costs average around $800, which is surprisingly reasonable for a luxury SUV. The Land Cruiser earns a reliability score of 83 out of 100 and is trusted by drivers in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. It's expensive, but it delivers unmatched durability, comfort, and performance. 2. Toyota Sequoia. For families who need a big SUV that lasts, the Toyota Sequoia is one of the best. Since its debut in 2000, it's built a reputation for toughness and longevity. Models from 2009 onward are particularly dependable, offering smoother rides and fewer issues. 1. Lexus LS 400. Taking the top spot is none other than the Lexus LS 400. This luxury sedan redefined the segment when it launched in 1989, offering unmatched reliability and refinement. Some owners, like auto journalist Matt Farah, have even driven their LS 400S to 1 million miles.
Conclusion.
And that wraps up our list of 13 cars that simply never break down. From family minivans to sports cars and rugged SUVs, these vehicles prove that with the right engineering, cars really can go the distance. Which one surprised you most? Drop it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reliable car insights.